Hey, what's up, guys? This is Amin, and you're watching your favorite YouTube channel, Make Money with Amin. Today, I want to talk about Yoast SEO. Yes, this is on-page SEO part 2, and today we will discuss about how can we optimize our basic on-page using Yoast SEO. So this tutorial is very helpful for you if you want to learn how to do on-page SEO. So let's get started. Thank you so much. So first of all, you should log in your website backend, like your WordPress website login uh, dashboard, and you will see the option Yoast. I think you have already watched my first video. If not, please watch at first my first video. How can we install our plugin to optimize our website for on-page SEO? So this is very important. I think you should watch. Okay, after install the plugin, you should configure the plugin for the first time. So go to your Yoast SEO plugin and then click General, and after that you will see the option first time configuration. So this is very important, I think. So when you will click first time configuration, then you will see this kinds of section and interface, and you should click and optimize all the section. Okay, here you will see the option SEO data optimization. So you just click here and then click continue. I have already optimized all the things, that's why it's just showing here to edit. Okay, so for the tutorial purpose, I am just edit and just presenting. Okay, so if your website is blog or like any organization or your personal website, so you should define from here. So this is my portfolio website, so that's why I want to select person, then continue, and website name I have already right here, MD Alamin, and then author name is Alamin. Also personal logo or avatar. So if your website like any online store or your personal website, I think you have already a logo, so you should just upload here, then save changes. Now I want to jump the another section, that is social profile. I want to click here, then you can easily select the profile or update add profile as a user. Okay, so you can do this. Also I want to click here save, then here is the personal preference, and you can, if you want to get any email for the tips or any announcement from the Yoast, definitely you can subscribe here. But I think all is keep going good, so I want to do it for the finish configuration. Okay, so this is the very first step, and after that you should click here settings. So I want to click from the Yoast setting option, then I want to configure all the things. This is very important for your on-page SEO. If you want to do complete on-page SEO using Yoast, definitely you should complete all the process. So after click the general option, you will see this kinds of interface. For the first thing, general is site feature. So here is the SEO analytics enable feature. Definitely I want to make it on, just no need any change. Okay, readability analysis all is just I want to keep it the same. I don't want any changes here. Okay, so this is all feature. If you want, you can enable, but if you want to research more about it, you can search on Google, and definitely I think you will know about it. Then I want to click here the next option, site basics. Okay, so site basics I have already done from the general setting, but here is the alternative another option. So the website name, the alternative website name, tagline, and if you want to define the website name slash or something like that for your page section, definitely you can define from here. So you should upload your site image. I want to upload from my website. I want to take a screenshot, then I want to upload. Also here is the size. So if you want, you can resize your website homepage, then you can upload from here. Okay, I have already selected and I want to upload the image. When you will upload an image, that time definitely you should put the alter text. This is very important for on-page SEO. I think you will do this. Also, I will discuss about image alter tag or image optimization. That's time you will get proper idea. Okay, so I want to select and I want to make it the same as title alter text, and then select. Okay, then I want to click save, but before it I want to check some another option, site policies. So if you want, you can research some other option, but I want to save changes right now, and I want to go the another option, site representation. Okay, so I want to click here, and that we have already done the same things showing here for the general section. So I have already done this, so I don't want to change anything. Site connections. So here you will see all the option for your webmaster. Like if you want to connect with Bing webmaster tools, just click here, you will see the instruction, then you just put your code here and then save. I think that will be good, and you can easily verify your Bing webmaster tools for analysis or to see the data. Okay, so as like the same Google, Pinterest. So this is a very good thing, I think. And the next option is content type. So I want to click here and I want to click home page. So here is the home page. So if you want to edit your home page, you just click here and you will see the option home page SEO optimization. And then I want to click the post. So here is the option. There are a lot of things here, but you should check it carefully. Suppose if you will click here, show post search results, this is the option. If you click it off, you don't see your post on search results. So don't do anything here, just see. Okay, so if you want to see the pre-made setup for the optimization your post, so if you can define from here. Suppose you want to see only for the title, you just select here and you can delete or backspace all the things, and after that you can see the meta description option. I will definitely make some videos in the next tutorial, and definitely you can easily know how can we optimize our every post page or any pages. Okay, so here it is, and another option is forum. forms, so I don't want to change anything. Here is the page, and this is the page. Yes, search result is showing the pages, so this option will be on, and I don't change anything. Okay, so here it is, and see more. Here is lot of things like courses, so products and everything. So if you want, you can see all the things, and if you want, you can change your section. Okay, so you should research about all the section from the Google if you want to know more about it. Okay, I'm just telling you the basic things. Okay, so here is the category option, so I want to click here the category. Then you will see the category option showing category, and the most important thing is here I want to see the other option. This is called product category, product shipping. So if you want to off or de-index your anything, you can easily define from here. Suppose you want to, if you want to de-index your product text, you just off it, and definitely search result don't index your product text. The another one thing is tags, so I don't want to index my tags in search results, so I want to make it off. Then I want to click here, then save changes. So this is very important things, I think. Why I'm doing these kinds of things, definitely I will explain for the next tutorial when I will make for specific tutorial. And if you want to know about it, you should follow the Yoast SEO guideline. So this is very basic things for the Yoast setting, but this is very important for your on-page SEO. I think this video is very helpful for you, and if you think this video is very helpful, please subscribe this channel and share with your friends.